Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to animate in computer for free. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you currently need the software to create the animation or maybe create the vector picture or maybe do the photo editing, don't worry guys, because it exists. Yes guys, you can start to consider this Krita because this is the professional free and open source painting program. And don't worry, because this Krita also very accessible into your Windows PC or the Linux and even the Macintosh. So if you're gonna try it, so you can click this download and it will direct you into this section. And since I have the Windows computer, so you can continue to click this window installer, and after that you can start to follow the instructions. And don't worry, because the installation is quite easy and simple. You don't need the secret number or code to try this Krita. And after the installation process, this will be the opening of this Krita guys. So this will be the section, and you can start to click this file and new, let's say to create a blank page of your project. For the predefined, you'll see this is the measurement of the paper. Let's say if you would like to create the animation or the cartoon within this measurement. And you can also change the orientation, and also this will be the measurement from pixel until millimeters. And you can use the save image as, and you can put the name into your project. And for the animation over here, this is the template to create the animation in Japanese style but still in English version or fully in Japanese version. And you can create the comic, and because this gives you the comic templates too, and also the design template, DSLR template, and also the texture template. Which one do you prefer? So you can continue to click create over here, and this will be the section we have. And if you would like to create the animation for the new user or the very first time, so there will be the animation timeline or curves over here. But don't worry, because you can show this to menu or to setting. So you can go to this window and workspace and click animation, and after that this will be shown down here guys. And to show this brush preset tools, so you can go to this setting and Dockers, and you can activate this brush preset like this to inactivate it, and this will be the activate like this guys. And for example, you can start to create the animation, let's say, and also you can start to learn about this layer. This is the background and usually being locked to make sure that the color of this background always still in the white color guys. And after that, I will go to this paint layer, and I will click this rectangle like this. Well, this is the section to put the keyframe. So you can give it the right click and click this create blank frame like this. And after that, you can start to put the another keyframe over here by click this create blank frame, or you can simply copy it to copy this keyframe and paste over here, give it a right click and paste keyframe like this. And I will start to, let's say, adjust the size of this rectangle like this. And I will copy this keyframe again and paste over here. And again, I will adjust the size like this. And after that, I will copy this keyframe again. And let's say I will put it here. Paste the keyframe. And I will change the position, let's say to become here. And after that, you can play it from the beginning. Click this and click play. So this will be the first animation we have now. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Krita, because this is 100% for free, and you can try to create your animation from scratch. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.